Hello, welcome to Tech Joint. Today we're breaking down 7 cool remote-controlled toys. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Aura Drone. Aura is a drone toy that gives you maximum control over its aerial acrobatics and offers incredibly precise handling for any user. Unlike other drones that use unwieldy controllers, the Aura drone is controlled by manipulating a wearable glove that can be adjusted to fit any size of wrist. A thumb-operated altitude controller is built into the glove and lets you change height instantly, even while performing other gesture controls at the same time. All that it takes to get your drone going is a wave of your hand that signals whether you want to fly forward, backward, left, or right. And in case you wanted to kick things up a notch, the Aura drone is capable of performing jaw-dropping stunts, with the gesture controls being intuitive enough to fly around obstacles or jet through narrow openings. The 360-degree flip trick is by far the coolest, but we're sure that you'll be able to work out even more impressive maneuvers with a little experimentation. Just in case you missed the mark, a protective outer cage protects the toy from becoming damaged, ensuring that you can keep yourself entertained without ever needing a replacement. The Aura has auto takeoff and hover features, along with 6-axis gyro stabilization and fail-safes in place so that your drone doesn't accidentally fly out of range. Add to this the height lock and headlock modes, and you've got yourself an immensely cool toy that you can use to compete with your friends in races. Alternatively, you can also just relax and have some casual flight time on your own. The Aura is designed to be flown indoors as well as outdoors, so it can even keep you amused on days when the weather forces inside playtime. Ballistic Racer. Hot Wheels has done it again. Without any further ado, we present to you their nifty Ballistic Racer vehicle. It seems that they've gone all out to kit this race car out with all sorts of extra features and considerations. A quick press of a button activates the speed boost, propelling your racer forward at insane speeds. The boost function also allows you to make some hair-raising maneuvers, including 90-degree tail slides and 180-degree spins, all without breaking a sweat. The onboard super speed battery system allows for 30 minutes of pedal-to-the-metal playtime for a 30-minute recharge cycle, which is quite reasonable. And Hot Wheels has painstakingly crafted their Ballistic Racer to handle exceptionally well, even at breakneck speeds, letting you take those fast corners without losing traction control. One of the best features is the fact that it's got a dual-sided body, so it can flip completely over and continue on like nothing happened. While this isn't a new Hot Wheels feature, it's definitely necessary for the Ballistic Racer, which puts a ton of power in your hands. The design is quite interesting too, and it looks like something we could expect to see in Blade Runner or The Fifth Element. What we're trying to say is that it looks overwhelmingly sleek, and it's sure to impress everyone you choose to challenge to a race. The minimalist design also makes for easy storage, and the ergonomic controller is an absolute breeze to use, even for young children. BatMobile. Who here wants to feel like a DC hero while simultaneously having a ton of fun and staying safe while you're at it? If you raised your hand, look no further than the Justice League Ultimate BatMobile RC vehicle, which comes complete with a Batman action figure that can be inserted into the driver's seat. It is, as the name suggests, remote controlled and features a driver's POV cockpit camera that connects to a heads-up display and overlay. Just in case that wasn't enough to pique your interest, the Ultimate Batmobile's engine makes realistic revving sounds and even releases puffs of smoke from the exhaust pipe, adding tons of fun to your experience. It comes included with the same super speed battery system that's featured in the Ballistic Racer we covered earlier, with the same 30-minute charge. Even the wheels have added details. They're armored and can roll for better traction. The vehicle's mounted turret is able to move and aim wherever you like, and the toy even has a specialized jump mode that raises the entire vehicle up slightly to provide better aim when pinpointing a target. The entire car is actually quite large for an RC toy, and that makes it absolutely perfect for kids of all ages. Hexbug Vex Series. The Hexbug Vex Series is like Lego on steroids, and that's still a bit of an understatement. There are all sorts of builds available if you follow the instructions, but the best part is that you can even build your own unique inventions and apply them to whatever you like. The Vex series of products can also be used together, increasing the fun they're able to provide. Vex will even replace any missing or broken parts in order to allow you to properly finish your builds, which is a wonderful gesture on their part. Just get in touch and they'll ship your replacement part out to you. When your build is complete, power up your mechanical toy and get prepared for hours of entertainment. Their standard builds include race cars and a flying machine, as well as a catapult, crossbow, and forklift, among many others. The builds also come with little balls that can be used with most pre-planned robots. The balls are also replaceable, just in case you were wondering. We can't wait to get started building all sorts of crazy contraptions, and are sure that you'll get countless hours of entertainment designing your own, while also learning engineering basics at the same time. SkyShock. At first glance, the SkyShock looks like a Hot Wheels toy. And that's because it is. No longer content with their overwhelmingly successful line of products, Hot Wheels has changed the game and designed their very own remote control racing airplane. The kicker is that it also converts into a wheeled buggy, letting you have a ton of fun with your very own transformer, whether it be way up in the sky or planted firmly on the ground. A button push activates its transformation, allowing your buggy to get a head start before spreading its wings and taking to the friendly skies. Considerations like proportional acceleration and large propellers allow for greater stability while the SkyShock is in flight, and it's able to make amazingly steep climbs and speedy turns. It's even built to be incredibly stable on the ground. But we have to admit that it really excels in the air, which is its best selling point. The SkyShock comes in two designs, named Hot Rod Flames or Iconic Race respectively, and requires 6 AA batteries and one 3.7-volt LiP Pro, which are unfortunately sold separately. Still, we don't think that's too much of an issue when all's said and done. Its battery lifetime is also well balanced, and they won't need to be replaced all that frequently, which is another win in our books. The SkyShock is meant to be raced alongside friends and is made to be quite durable, so you can push them to the very limits and not worry about causing serious damage in a crash or mid-air collision. Meep. WowWee's Meep toy robot is one of the most impressive robotic toys on the market today. It uses gesture sense technology that allows you to use hand gestures to interact with your Meep toy. Gesture sense allows you to use claps, swipes, touch sensors, as well as plenty of others to control each aspect of your robot's movement and behavior, covering pretty much all the bases. Your Meep will be able to connect to all of your smart devices without any hassles at all, making it even easier to use no matter what. Did we mention that the Meep also utilizes sound detection? This lets your MiP Robot realistically react to noises it hears in its vicinity and the surrounding area, which is pretty neat tech to say the least. We can just imagine the Meep driving your pets crazy and then responding to their reactions. Additionally, a companion app can be installed on any of your smart devices. This app lets you control your Meep buddy or engage in enhanced gameplay features, both with absolute ease. With all these features, the Meep is the ultimate companion robot for kids and adults alike. Pairing toys to smart devices is a relatively new concept, but the Meep hits the nail on the head, and we're absolutely loving what Meep has been able to do with it. Detang. Have you ever dreamed about what the future will be like? Well, dream no longer, because it's already here. The Detang is the most amazing new toy we've seen in a long time, and it's based around some really cutting-edge technology. The Detang is basically a wristband that allows you to control the movements of any UAV drone with a literal flick of the wrist. That's doable because it's actually the world's first gesture-controlled robot. Pretty cool, right? And if you're not quite sold on flying a drone around, you can also use the Detang wristband to control any smart device you wish. This includes all sorts of toys, including toy trucks and even tanks. The wristband is relatively open source and it supports free development, allowing you to apply it to pretty much any smart device you can think of. The Detang can detect and monitor pretty much any type of hand gestures or movements, and can even extend to encompass forearm movement and finger gestures as well. The Detang makes use of SCMG and special AI algorithms that help it process commands amazingly fast, with their actions triggering an almost instantaneous reaction from whatever toy it's connected to. Starting up the controls is as easy as pointing your index finger straight forward, with the robot then moving left, right, up, or down based on the inputs that you give. To stop issuing commands, just pull your index finger back in and make a fist to stop your robot's movement. And that's 7 cool remote-controlled toys. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be a part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.